Hey guys, Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. Happy National Picnic Month. If you're thinking about going on a picnic, one of our great options is our Dodge Journey. It seats 3, it's fully loaded, and it has air-conditioned glove boxes that's perfect for holding drinks. This car is perfect for picnics. It has room for space and people and luggage. It is great for a day picnic or if you're heading out for a whole weekend of picnics like camping. Another amazing option we have is our Jeep Renegade. It is smaller, more compact, but mighty. It is built for off-roading, all-wheel drive. This thing can take you to the side of a mountain to do a picnic or over to the beach. Anywhere you want to go, this car will take you, and it is perfect for anything, even if it's just day-to-day driving. If neither of those are your cup of tea, any kind of car can take you on a wonderful picnic, and here at Byrider Waukesha, we have a huge selection of vehicles to get you on an adventure. Come and see us at Byrider Waukesha.